So there are 5 spoken tenses which have an auxiliary, in other words, a verb other than the verb you're talking about, and there are 5 without. So for example, if I took a normal verb, an avoir verb, a verb which doesn't use être in the middle, so il a mangé, let's do the ones that have an auxiliary, so il a mangé, il avait mangé, il aura mangé, il aurait mangé, subjunctive qu'il ait mangé. 5 without. Il mange, il mangeait, he was eating, il mangerait, il mangera, subjunctive qu'il mange. There's 5 with and there's 5 without, which means when you do your reflexive verb, there are 5 tenses with an auxiliary and there are 5 tenses without, and the auxiliary will always be être. So if I had se laver, as I've said before, with an auxiliary, let's do he gets washed. So with an auxiliary, il s'est lavé, il s'était lavé, il se sera lavé, il se serait lavé, subjunctive qu'il se soit lavé. Without an auxiliary, il se lave, il se lavait, il se lavera, il se laverait, subjunctive qu'il se lave. So, in other words, and I will put the video on how to handle a normal reflexive underneath, any one of these tenses is absolutely fine. You are just then going to pop the preposition at the end for the most part. So for example, he remembered me, for example, il s'est souvenu de moi. Now you could obviously go with an imperfect, il se souvenait de moi, but the point would be if you've got an ABC, who cares? Handle it like a reflexive verb normally and then pop C on the end. Pop your preposition on the end. Now, final thing. You can do an ACB, which basically means when you take what your C was, your preposition de or a, and you pop the contents of that earlier in the sentence. So if you said this, so we don't really do this with people quite so much. We tend to do this with objects in French rather than, so if you say I see him, je le vois, I see her, je la vois, that could be him or it. But this method is, particularly with it tends to be used more commonly with things rather than people. But for example, so I remember it, instead of saying je me souviens de whatever the thing was, you know very well that a de, when it's in the middle of the verb, whether it's reflexive or not, will be an en. So for example, I need the cream, j'ai besoin de la crème, I have need of it, j'en ai besoin, that is en en. So in other words, when you are taking what is de and what comes after de, and you are sticking it before your verb, whether it's a reflexive verb or not, it will become en. So all of the tenses I've just given you, which are reflexive, can now be said with an en, because it's now going to be an ACB, which means you go reflexive element, prepositional element, then the verb. So for example, if I give you he remembers, so if I gave you he looks after, so il s'en occupe, il s'en, let's do all the tenses, il s'en occupe, il s'en occupait, il s'en occupera, il s'en occuperait, il s'en sera occupé, il s'en serait occupé, il s'en était occupé. It doesn't matter where you go. The il s'en, notice, is now not going to change. That's nothing to worry about. Okay, that is always going to be the reflexive element, the preposition element, and then the verb. The same with a. Yeah, a. If you take what is a and comes after it, that will be made into an i. So I'm thinking of the situation. Je pense à la situation. J'y pense. Yeah, j'y pense. So if you did a reflexive verb, s'habituer à quelque chose, je m'habitue à son visage, I'm getting used to his face. I got used to it, or I got, I get used to it. Je m'y habitue. Je m'y suis habitué. So in other words, the same thing, you're going to do an ACB. So de prepositionally in C goes to en before the verb, and a prepositionally in C goes to an I before the verb. And I shall write some examples of those out. So for example, I'm looking after you. Je m'occupe de toi. I'm looking after it. Je m'en occupe. That's an ACB. I'm going to look after it. Je vais m'en occuper. But it's an ABC verb. I've got all 3 elements reflected. Okay. I'm thinking of the situation. I'm getting used to the situation. Je m'habitue à la situation. I'm getting used to it. Je m'y habitue. A, B, C verbs. Se foutre de la gueule de quelqu'un in French is to take the... he teases me. Il se moque de moi. Se moquer de. A, B, C. So he teases me. It's not il me moque. It's il se moque. There's A and B. De moi. If I went in other tenses, il se moquait de moi. Il se moquera de moi. Il s'est moqué de moi. That would all be the same. If I said he teased it, il s'en est moqué. Il s'en moque, whatever. Yeah, he doesn't care. Il s'en moque. Notice that would be an A, C, B. So in other words, what I'm saying is you cannot choose to not represent all of those three elements. All of those. You've had verbs where you've used de becoming an en. You've had verbs where you've had reflexives. You've had verbs where you've had a becoming e. You've had reflexives. So this is where you put the two together. Okay, so it is an A, B, C function. It is an A, B, C. All right. I hope this has helped, and I will speak to you guys soon.